What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun summer haul, and I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. So I want to show you guys what's new, what did I pick out, and how I kind of plan to style these items. So I knew that I was in need of some summer shoes. I've been living in basically nothing cute, okay, besides sneakers, because I don't really go anywhere. But I needed to get some fun things for a little getaway for the 4th of July. So I decided to get these attention seeker flat sandals. I'll have links for all this stuff down below. You guys know Fashion Nova is always adding new items, and their favorites are always coming back in stock. So definitely check out the description box below to check out everything that I picked out this time around. These are cute. These are really flat. Flat sandals with a little bit of sparkle on them. I like that they have that straight across toe. That's super trendy right now for a lot of shoes. So I think these will be really pretty with summer dresses, some shorts with a cute bodysuit, kind of glam it up a little bit from your standard like sports type of slide. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on some really cute summer sandals, so super excited about those. I also found another pair of shoes, and these are the Stay Fearless heeled sandals, and I got them in the white color. And if I remember quickly, yes, these are the shoes I wanted to get. Now listen, if I'm about to do a heel, it's gonna be a baby heel. Don't make fun of me, okay? I'm not out here trying to be strutting in these streets in 6 inches, but I did want to have like a cute little kitten heel that I could add to a bodysuit with a jean look. That's my vibe right now. And I found these, and again, the really wide straight across toe is super trendy right now, you guys. These are so comfortable. I already tried them on. What I love about them is the thick band here that keeps your foot in place. It doesn't rub against my toes, and if you have wide feet like me, ladies, these are the heels for you. Like if you want a cute heel that isn't going to be uncomfortable, you need to get these. I already think I'm gonna get all the colors that they have, because this is the one and only heel that I've ever tried on that I feel like I could walk properly in them, and the fact that they aren't uncomfortable says a lot. So really excited about those. I did get my true size. Got some more goodies in this bag here. So let's see what we've got going on. The next item is the cutest in the game ribbed tank set, and I ordered this in a medium, and it's in the shade Heather Gray. And I do know that these come in a ton, you guys, a ton of different color options, and I love just solid colors in comfortable lounge sets. So this is what the tank top looks like. Super cute ribbed style, little crop top. I really like this. I'm gonna try it on, of course, so you guys can see what it looks like and how the fit of this is. Definitely has a bit of stretch to it as well, and I don't see the price on the price tag, so if I can find it, I will drop it in the description or pop it on the screen. So with that set, it comes with matching bottoms, and these are high-waisted. We are all about the high-waisted bottoms. It definitely flatters my body type the best, and it has a fake little tie in the front. It doesn't actually do anything around the waistband. I'm almost thinking I should have got this in a small because it's high-waisted, but we'll try it on and see how it fits. I might be able to roll the band down, and of course it is skinny fit with a ribbed design, so that's super cute. Ooh, this next one is a headscarf I ordered. I feel like it can't be a hot girl summer, I guess, without a headscarf, and this one is the Mixed Emotions headscarf in the shade Fuchsia. So let's see what this is all about. I do have a whole video on my YouTube channel on how to tie headscarves in a really cute way. So if you want to get your hands on this headscarf or any other headscarves but you don't know how to wear them, definitely check out my tutorial. This one's so cute. It's giving me like Barbie vibes. I like that it's pink with the nudes. It's like a fun little animal print. This is nice. This was so affordable as well. And you could do so much with this, but what I would do and why I wanted to get it was to wear it, basically put in a triangle. Probably not gonna make it look cute right now because I don't have a mirror. And then basically just tie it around like this. Sorry, don't judge it. I didn't tied on too tight. But for a pool outfit, like your bikini, or you have your little high-waisted shorts on, bikini top, headscarf, you don't have to worry about anything, okay? So that was my intent on getting this beauty, and this is so freaking cute, you guys. You could also tie it around your handbag as a little accessory as well, which could be a vibe. And then, ooh, I'm excited to see how this looks. This is like the definition of an Instagram baddie outfit. Is my hair okay? After taking that scarf off, this is in the neon pink. I got it in a small, and it's a romper situation. And Buenos Aires romper? I don't know if I'm saying that right. Probably not. But I'll link it below so you guys can find this exact item. And this one is, did I say small? Yeah, size small. Oh, she's small. There we go. It's showing up much more true to color. But it's a little short romper situation. Very soft, stretchy material. And of course, it's like a bandeau style. I thought this would be super cute just to be prancing around the apartment. Definitely not something I want to wear on the streets. I'm going to keep it to myself. Cozy vibes. So really excited about this. It also came in a ton of other colors, but I thought for summer, neon would be a look. And then of course I needed to get my hands on some shorts for this summer. I've lost a little bit of weight, so a lot of my clothes don't really fit. These are the In High Spirits distressed denim shorts in white, and I got them in a small. So these are cute. They have like a little copper detail on them, if you could see, and of course they're distressed and frayed at the bottom. High-waisted vibes. These are gonna be cute. I'm excited about these. Again, just wearing it with a cute bodysuit, cute little sandal. It's such a good, easy outfit. Of course, I couldn't just get one pair of shorts. I had to get another. And it's kind of like if I see something that I like, I have to get it in all the options. Is anyone else like that? Drop a comment down below. But these are the Audrey Frey hem denim shorts in the medium blue wash, and I got them in a small. So let's see how these are. Oh, these are so cute, you guys. I just love a good denim short. Like living in LA, like it's short season basically all year round. So it's always crucial to have these. I like how it's cut. It's like kind of hiked at an angle. So it really is gonna make my legs pop a lot more. This is definitely coming with me on my little getaway. And I like the wash of this denim. I definitely say is a perfect medium wash. And I like the pockets. They're very straight across. Do you see that? It doesn't have the stitching like these pockets do. These are cute. And they curve here. It's not like straight across. I hate when jeans are like this. Not flattering, but they definitely kind of made it curved. So really excited to see how this is gonna look on. But think about this with this headscarf and like a pink bikini. That's gonna be me, you guys. I'm really excited. I'm so ready. And let's see, I got a couple more pieces of denim. These are the Walk This Way boyfriend jeans. I got them in black, and these are a size 3. I don't really know about the fit of the jeans because I just used the sizing chart and they said I was a 3, and I've never been a 3 in my life. So this will be interesting to see how they fit. Oh yeah, these definitely look like they're gonna fit. I like how small the waist is. That's my issue, is finding a pair of pants or bottom that fits my waist to my hip ratio. So hopefully this one will be good. It does have a nice little slashed distressing here on the knee. They're high-waisted and they're meant to be a little bit baggy, so hopefully it's baggy in the right areas and not too baggy in the waist. So yeah, these are the jeans, and they're nice, thick, a little bit of a stretch, and they're straight leg. So I'm really into straight leg jeans, as you guys know, versus skinny fit. I feel like with my body type, my legs are so skinny already. With skinny jeans, it's just like, it's too much. It's too tight. It's no. So I need a good straight leg. The next pair of denim that I ordered are these cropped straight leg jeans. I got them in the medium blue wash in a size 3. So I'm really excited about these, you guys. Your girl just needed some solid denim items for my wardrobe, and this is a nice colorway. Again, high-waisted, we love. These are like ultra high-waisted, and I like how they go down into a very raw edge. So hopefully this will fit my leg length because I'm all legs. I'm really excited about these. And then the very last thing I ordered was this accessory item, which I've been seeing something very similar on Instagram. I believe Desi Perkins might have posted something similar to it. And who else did I see? Kylie Jenner a while back had this massive, like this thing is huge. You don't understand in real life. This is way bigger in person than what I thought it was on the website. But what do they call this? Because I can link it down below. Oh, there's no name on it. Is it on this? They don't have a name. They don't have a name. What is this called? The So Extra Oversized Floppy Hat in the shade beige, you guys. It's rolled a little bit because it was in the package. But I don't even think you can see how big this hat is, and So Extra is such a perfect name for it. I just thought this would be amazing to block the haters. Just kidding. Block all of the sun rays, you know, if you're gonna be outside poolside all day for a whole weekend. Like, this is definitely what I wanted to be wearing, okay? But also for the gram, had to take it for a picture, okay? It's definitely a little bit heavy, but it's super duper cute and I love it, okay? I think no summer is gonna be I'm just laughing because this thing is so big. It's literally, look, literally taking up the whole screen. And you can kind of bend it a way that you want it to, but I don't have time to play with it right now. But anyways, I'm about to be So Extra poolside for the 4th of July, and I'm so excited about it. But those are all the things that I picked up for my summer haul. I haven't really been doing much shopping, so I wanted to kind of get something that was more affordable, being that we've been in quarantine, and I really haven't been going anywhere where I've needed to have actual outfits other than sweats and workout clothes. So this was super fun for me to pick things out and get things that are really cute and very like basics, I would describe them, you know, getting good jeans, good solid high-waisted shorts, and then those simplistic items like this cute little set, which I think is so cute. Loungewear, pajama vibes, I'm here for it. So definitely check out the description box below so you guys can see all of these items if you're looking for them. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!